In my hood. They got the man will shoot at us over there. He be trying to shoot us. Let me walk down there. Hold on. The man be trying to shoot us and stuff. My friends dipped on me. They're down there on the swing and stuff. That's the man's house right there. Man's house right here. He got shotguns, all types of guns. He be shooting at us. We don't even be doing that to this man. We just walk on the railroad track and walk. Man, house right there. Railroad track down there. We on the whole railroad track. We could walk all the way to the church down here. Go to Subway and all down here. See the church down there? My friend ran off on me. They down there at the park having fun, and I'm up here. Look at them. They down there.